everybody, Dr. Jody Kinney. Today what I want to do is just show you anatomically how an SI joint can become out of alignment and what we do to correct an SI joint on an actual spine. So this is the anatomy of a spine laying face down on my table. And so the SI joint, when you're laying face down, is made up of one half of a pelvis and another half of a pelvis, which actually are two separate bones. People think the pelvis is one bone. It actually is not. It's connected in the very front by what we call a pubic symphysis, and in the back, it makes a joint with your tailbone here, and each side of this joint on either side of your tailbone is what we call the SI joint. The SI joint can get out of alignment through wear and tear, accidents or injuries, repetitive stress, sports injuries. What happens is one side of the pelvis can actually shift out of normal alignment. When that happens, so let's go back to normal. Normally the pelvis should be nice and level, the joint should be nice and even, which causes your leg length to become nice and even too. When a spinal or an SI joint rotates, the joint typically rotates posteriorly, and it can cause the leg length to become drawn upwards, which will make your leg short on that deficient side. So one of the ways that we assess for an SI joint is by checking the leg length. And then we know that that joint is rotated out of normal alignment and stuck that way. We call that a subluxation. So with an adjustment, typically what we do is put little pressure, and sometimes we even use a table to put a little pressure, and what that does is that just realigns that SI joint, causing the legs to become even again, gets better motion and movement in those spinal joints again, and this is what's gonna help alleviate the pinching, the pressure, the discomfort that you may have in those joints, and that's gonna help your SI pain. So, if you're having SI joint dysfunction or pain, see a chiropractor. This is the drugless, surgery-free way to alleviate that SI joint and lower back pain, healthy, naturally. So come into Kinney Chiropractic. All right, I hope to see you guys real soon. Have a good day.